Welcome of all students in online classes, Urmila Devi PG College, Prasar Boro, Prayagraj. Today discussed class BSc first year. Article is direction cosine of a straight line or a directed line. In this article, find the direction cosine of a straight line in three-dimensional space. So here write first article is direction cosine of directed line means a directed line or a vector For this draw a figure. Figure is such type x, y and z. Draw a line. Suppose that line is OP and capital O is the origin of three-dimensional space. OX is positive x-axis, OY is positive y-axis, and OZ is positive z-axis. If draw a line OP and suppose that this line making angles from positive x-axis, positive y-axis, and positive z-axis are alpha, beta, and gamma respectively. So here write alpha, here write beta, and here write gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma are angles which makes positive x-axis, positive y-axis, and positive z-axis of directed line OP. Then the cos values of these angles, the cosine values of angles alpha, beta, and gamma. Here alpha, beta, gamma are the angles from positive directions of axis, that is cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma. Cos values of these angles alpha, beta, gamma is denoted by cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Is denoted by cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. By definition of direction cosine of any straight line, these values cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called direction cosine of a straight line OP. Then direction cosine of a straight line OP are cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma. In some books is also denoted by small l m n or capital L m n. So small l it is implies to also as small l is equal to cos alpha, small m is equal to cos beta, and small n are cos gamma. These are direction cosines of straight line OP, means directed line OP, or you call vector OP. So cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma are angles which makes between straight line, given straight line, and positive x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis respectively. I want to consider some examples which are dependent. Find the direction cosine of a straight line direction cosine of a straight line which makes angles 30 degree, 45 degree, and suppose that 60 degree from positive x-axis, positive y-axis, and positive z-axis. In this question, find the direction cosine of a straight line which makes angles 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree from the positive x-axis, positive y-axis, and positive z-axis. So, from figure means article, it is clear that the value of alpha is equal to 30 degree, the value of beta is equal to 45 degree, and the value of gamma is equal to 60 degree. So, here in the solution given angles alpha is equal to 30 degree, beta is equal to 45 degree, and gamma is equal to 60 degree. These angles are cleared from the questions. Alpha is equal to 30 degree, beta is equal to 45 degree, and gamma is equal to 60 degree. Then find the direction cosine. You can use it directly. In this question, alpha value is equal to 30 degree, beta is equal to 45 degree, and gamma is equal to 60 degree. You can use directly formula and find to the direction cosine of given line which makes some angles from the positive x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So here from the formula direction cosine, if L, M, N are direction cosine, this is short form denotation of the direction cosine, d dot ds, direction cosine of straight line, then of given straight line, then L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, and N is equal to cos gamma. Putting the values of alpha, beta, and gamma. So in the question, L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, and N is equal to cos gamma. Putting the values of alpha, beta, and gamma which are given in the question, and L is equal to cos 30 degree, M is equal to cos 45 degree, and N is equal to cos 60 degree. Cos 30 is equal to, putting these values, 1 by under root 2 and 1 by 2 under root 3 by 2. So this is equal to under root 3 by 2 is 1 by under root 2, and here write M is equal to 1 by under root 2, and at last N is equal to 1 by 2. So it is clear that direction cosines of given straight line are under root 3 by 2, M is equal to 1 by under root 2, and N is equal to 1 by 2. These are direction cosines of the given straight line. which makes 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree from the positive x-axis, positive y-axis, positive z-axis. So with examples and theoretical, it is clear that what is direction cosine of any straight line or directed line in the three-dimensional space. Now I want to other articles. So in the second article, find a relation between direction cosine or relation between direction cosine of any straight line. Draw a figure, positive z-axis. Figure will be same as in article first, plus z-axis. Suppose that any directed line, a straight line OP, which makes alpha, beta, gamma from the positive x-axis, positive y-axis, positive z-axis. Also suppose that mod of OP vector is equal to 1 and direction cosine, suppose that length of directed line OP is 1, that is mod of OP vector is equal to 1, and direction cosine of straight line, direction cosines are small l, m, n. These are supposing points, means direction cosines of straight line OP are small l, m, n, and length of directed line OP means mod of OP vector is equal to 1. Then coordinates of vector OP, coordinates of point OP, point P are L, M, N. So in the figure it is clear that OP is a straight line, and on this straight line P is a point whose coordinates are small l, m, n, and direction and length of OP is equal to 1. Then and also coordinate of point O is 0, 0, 0 because O is a origin point. Then by distance formula, then distance between OP, that is OP is equal to under root, OP is a distance, so here you can use mod of OP in vector form, is also right. OP is equal to mod of vector OP under root of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 whole square. Here OP is taken as first point, O taken as first point, and P taken as second point. So coordinates of first point means O is x1, y1, z1, and coordinates of point capital P means x2, y2, z2. putting these values, and also given that here already suppose that length of OP means mod of OP is equal to 1. So here left hand side putting 1 and right hand side putting those values of x1, x2, y1, y2, z2 and z1. So L minus 0 whole square, m minus 0 whole square and n minus 0 whole square. Taking a square root both sides, 1 square is equal to L square plus m square plus n square. It is implies that 1 is equal to L square plus m square plus n square. This is relation between direction cosine of any straight line or vector or directed line. Here you can putting the values of L, m, n. You know that L is equal to cos alpha, m is equal to cos beta and n is equal to cos gamma. So after putting these values, it is implies that 1 is equal to L square, m square, n square. Also implies that 1 is equal to cos square alpha, cos square beta plus cos square gamma. Is first, is second. So in this article you can draw two relations between direction cosine. First relation is denoted by first equation, means 1 is equal to L square, m square, n square, and in the second equation 1 is equal to cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma are direction angles which makes by line between axis, positive directions, positive x-axis, positive y-axis and positive z-axis. So it's clear. And now consider next article. Write questions. Question is find the direction cosine. Find the direction cosine of a line whose direction ratios are -1 to -2, -1 to -2. This question is dependent on the direction cosines and direction ratios of any straight line. So in the question, find the direction cosine of a line whose direction ratios are -1 to -2. In solution, you can use to directly formula given that given direction ratios, given direction ratios of straight line are A is equal to -1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to -2. In this question, given direction ratios of the straight line which are -1 to -2, therefore according by theory this direction ratios using by some symbol small abc. So small a is equal to first point -1, small b is second, 2, and small c is third, -2. If small l, m, n are direction, cosine of given straight line, then using two directly formula which are related between direction cosine and direction ratios, means L is equal to a divided by under root a square plus b square plus c square, m is equal to b divided by under root a square b square c square, and n divided by c under root a square b square c square. Putting the values of small abc, means direction ratios which are given as a is equal to -1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to -2 in this relation, and you can find the value of direction ratios, means small l, m, n values. Therefore, putting a is equal to -1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to -2, then direction ratios L is equal to a divided by under root a square b square c square is equal to, the value of a is equal to -1 divided by under root a -1 whole square b whole square c whole square is equal to -1 divided by under root of 1 whole square is equal to 1, 2 whole square is equal to 4, -2 whole square is equal to 4. So -1 by under root 4, 4, 8 and 1, 9 is equal to 3, -1 by third. So first direction cosine of the given straight line is L. L is equal to -1 by third, and m is equal to b divided by, here formula is m is equal to b divided by under root a square b square c square, under root a square b square c square is equal to, given putting all values of small abc, b is equal to 2 given, 2 divided by under root a is equal to -1 whole square, b is equal to 2 square and -2 whole square is equal to 2 divided by under root 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 2 divided by under root 9 is equal to 2 by 3. So direction cosine, second direction cosine is small m is equal to 2 by 3, and at last and n is equal to c divided by under root a square b square c square. Putting the values of a b c, c is equal to -2 divided by under root a square -1 का whole square, 2 whole square plus -2 whole square is equal to -2 divided by under root 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 2 -2 divided by under root 9 is equal to -2 divided by 3. So with help of the formula L is equal to m is equal to n is equal to, which are related between direction cosine and direction ratios, the values of small l, m, n is clear. L is equal to -1 by third, m is equal to 2 by third, and n is equal to -2 by third. Here right. Therefore direction cosine, required direction cosine, required direction cosines are required direction cosines are L is equal to minus 1 by 3, M is equal to 2 by 3, and N is equal to minus 2 by 3. So direction cosine is clear and solution is complete. In the question, find the direction cosine of line whose direction ratios are minus 1 to minus 2. In the solution, first let that direction ratios is symbol denoted by A is equal to minus B, A1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to minus 2. Then using this relations between direction cosines and direction ratios, we are putting the all values of small ABC and find to complete value of direction cosines means small L, M, N. Now consider next question. Our next question is question second. Prove that sin square alpha plus cos sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 2, where alpha, beta and gamma are the angles which the given line makes with positive direction of axis. Makes with positive direction of the axis in the solution. In the question, prove that sin square alpha, sin square beta plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 2, where alpha, beta, gamma are the angles which make between given directed line and positive x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So here draw a figure. Positive x-axis, positive y-axis, positive z-axis is origin. Suppose that line is OP and alpha, beta and gamma. Here alpha is angle between line OP and positive x-axis. Angle beta is a line OP and positive y-axis, and angle gamma is between line OP and positive z-axis. Hence, by theoretically and in previous article, it is clear that if any straight line makes alpha, beta, gamma from the positive directions of the axis, then these cos values are called direction cosines, which already denoted by small l, m. N means L is equal to cos alpha and M is equal to cos beta and N is equal to cos gamma. Here given that any line, given that line makes angles alpha, beta and gamma with positive directions, of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Then according by theory, it is clear that if any straight line OP makes alpha beta gamma from positive x-axis, positive y-axis, positive z-axis, then these cos values is called direction cosine and denoted by small l is equal to cos alpha, small m is equal to cos beta, and small n is equal to cos gamma. So L, M, N are direction cosine of a straight line OP, and L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, and N is equal to cos gamma. From article 2nd, in which relation between direction cosine, and you know that relation between direction cosine is relation between direction cosine is L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Putting the values of L, M, N from this equation, so is equal to cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. It is implies that replacing to cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma with help of the trigonometrical formulae. So cos square alpha is equal to 1 minus sin square alpha plus cos square beta is equal to 1 minus sin square beta plus 1 minus sin square gamma is equal to 1. Here cos square alpha is replaced by 1 minus sin square alpha, cos square beta is replaced by 1 minus sin square beta, and cos square gamma is replaced by 1 minus sin square gamma. Taken in first bracket, total numerical values 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus of sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 1. Simplification to this equation means here is equal to 113 minus sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 1. Total trigonometrical addition in right hand side and this taken left hand side. So 3 minus 1 is equal to sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. Here is equal to 2 sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. It is implied that sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 2 is complete. So in this question, prove that sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma is equal to 2, where alpha, beta, gamma are the angles which are made by positive directions, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So using by articles, it's clear that if alpha, beta, gamma are angles between given lines and positive x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, then its cos values means cos alpha is equal to L, cos beta is equal to M, cos gamma is equal to N are called direction cosines of the directed line. Then by the relation in direction cosines, L square, M square, N square is equal to 1, putting the values of L, M, N. So cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma is equal to 1. Here cos is replaced in sin with using the trigonometrical formulae. So 1 minus sin square alpha, cos square alpha replaced by 1 minus sin square alpha, cos square beta is replaced by 1 minus sin square beta, and cos square gamma is replaced by 1 minus sin square gamma is equal to 1. Total taken simplification form and total taken numerical in one bracket and trigonometrical in second bracket. Here 1 is right hand side. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and this is equal to sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma is equal to 2. So is complete solution, hence proved. Now consider next question. Our next question is find distance between 2 points minus 1 4 0 and 3 0 1. In this question, find the distance. Very simple question. Find the distance between 2 points. First point coordinates are minus 1 4 0, minus 1 4 0, and second is 3 0 1. So in the solution, given 2 points are here denoted by capital A, whose coordinates minus 1 4 0. It is depends on your that symbol A, B, C can denote may used. So A is equal to 1 minus 4 and 4, and B 3 0 1. So suppose that point capital A, whose coordinates is given minus 1 4 0, and point capital B, whose coordinates also given 3 0 1. Then by distance formula, distance between A and B point is AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. Given 2 points, first denotation as first point and B denotation as second point. So putting x2 is equal to x1 is equal to coordinate of first minus 1, y1 is equal to 4, and z1 is equal to 0, and x2 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to 0, and z2 is equal to 1. These are coordinates of first and second point. First coordinate x1 y1 z1, second coordinate x2 y2 z2. Then AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. Putting all values of x1 y1 z1 in this. So x1 x2 is equal to 3 minus 1 plus 1 whole square, plus y2 is equal to 0 minus 4 whole square, plus z1 is equal to z2 is equal to 1 minus 0 whole square. Putting the all values of x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 according by question. First point denotation as first coordinate, second point denotation as second coordinate. So putting in this distance formula and taking simplification is equal to 4 whole square minus 4 whole square plus 1 whole square is equal to 4 whole square is 16 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 32 plus 1 33 under root 33. So distance required distance is AB is equal to under root 33. In the given question, find the distance between given 2 points minus 1 4 0 and 3 0 1. So here first taken point A denotation capital A and second point capital B, and applying to distance formula. Distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus 1 whole square. First point denotation as first quadrant means x1, y1, z1, and second point as second coordinate x2, y2, z2. These values are putting in the formula, distance formula, and after simplification, total means required distance between given 2 points is under root 33, which is complete solution. Is answer. That is okay. And I want to revision this question and solve without cheating, and write first question and solve himself.